Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining you the problem endless play, and it was asked in CodeChef contest starter 202. So yeah, let's read out the problem. Yesterday I couldn't upload the video because today I had interview, so that's why I did not upload. So yeah, let's read out the problem. Endless play. Chef's most anticipated game, Empty Night, Bowl Area, released on September 4th at midnight. Okay, since the instant it released, Chef has been playing it non-stop and completely lost track of time. Okay, so if the current data is x, current not data, current date is x September, and the current time is x h hours past midnight, how many hours has Chef been playing? Note that each day has 24 hours. Okay, so okay, we have input in which we have x and h. So let's take one of the input and then try to understand what they're saying. What we have is 5 and 10. So what is saying, Chef's one of the favorite video game has been launched, and now he's been playing since then, like from night 00 you can think of. This is the time wherein time starts at night. It was released on 4th of September 4th. Now today's date is 5th of September. X is basically this 5, and then h is basically how many hours is playing. This is 10. So basically what they're saying is how many hours they're playing, and once we know in a day we have 24 hours, so one more time will be, and this is 5th of September, which means he has played 24 hours, and on the 5th of September till 10 in the morning he is playing, so 10 hours has played. So if you add this 10 and 24, it will be 34. So this is the answer that we need to return, right? So 34 we have, this we need to return. We have 4 and 18. So let's try to understand this also. It's easy only, so I'm going a bit fast. So what they're saying is, on 4th of September the game has been launched, and he's been playing till 4th of September. Okay, and the time is till 18. 18 means 6 o'clock in the evening. So how many hours has been playing? From 4 to 4, so obviously he'll be playing only for 18 hours. So how do you solve this? Basically, in mathematically how we'll solve is that we will take x, this is the date till which he was playing, minus we'll take 4. Why 4? Because it was launched on 4, and this will give us how many days he's been played, right? So in a day how many hours he's been playing? 24 hours, because in a day there are 24 hours, plus we will put h, this is the remaining hour that will be playing. So this is the answer formula. So if you try to put in this, your answer would be 24 into h is what? 4. 4 minus 4 is 0, plus, sorry, x not h, and h is 18. So 0 and 24 0 plus 18 is 18. So in this case 18 is the answer, as we know. So yeah, this is the thing that we need to take care of. Let me try to code it up. So it's endless play, I guess. So in the input what they given is they given x and h. We're taking x and h, and we need to take on like how many hours is been playing. That will be 24 into, as I said on the board, it is x minus 4 not h, plus h, and at the end we'll have to output this answer. Let's try to run it. It is getting accepted. Let's try to check for the second case. Let's try to check for the third case. So all are getting accepted. Let's try to submit them. So here I'll be submitting Let me try to run. In this case I should be getting 34 as the answer. Indeed we are getting. Let's try to submit it. So yeah, it got accepted. So basically it was an easy problem. You'll have to do this formula. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.